guys, it's Sunday. This is what an early morning, rainy, foggy day in New York City looks like on 6th Avenue. As you can see, New York City is just as beautiful in the rain as it is on a sunny day. This city just, it's breathtaking, honestly. Sometimes I hate it, but most of the time I love it. I just shot with Carice. Now I'm headed to, I'm waiting for my Uber to go to Monroe. We're shooting some looks today. We've got this little shopping market thing, kind of like the Christmas market they have in Bryant Park. But yeah, I need to fill in my eyebrows. I'm not wearing any makeup today. Which side do I need to be on? I never know my like south corner, west corner. I am at Melrose Now, and she did an unveiling of her closet, Clawfest. You should totally go to her YouTube channel to check it out. But I'll just give you a quick little preview. And if you want all the details, you have to make sure you go watch this video. Alright, we're gonna do some work. See you guys later.
See you guys later.
Oh, really? I'm on the train now. At a coffee latte now, having some brunch. So excited, it's one of our favorite spots. She there's one up there by Melrose house, but we're on the one a little bit further down. This is the name. And I think we're both getting the same thing, all close enough. I'm getting the egg and cheese sandwich on a croissant with home fries. That's my favorite thing as of late. So yeah. What are you having?
I'm having a bacon, egg, and cheese on the croissant and fries and the blood orange juice.
There you go. Excited to eat. I've been eating all day. It's 2:17 now. So yeah. Our brunch is here. I've got egg and cheese and a croissant with home fries. Manu's got the bacon, egg and cheese and a croissant with home fries as well. Blood orange juice. It's delicious. Can't wait to eat. I'm gonna pop some hot sauce on this. Let's get this party started. Guys, I am buying a new plant for my place. I've been wanting one like this. This is the one that I actually wanted for my place. Ended up buying this. This didn't last too long. It died. But yeah, I'm getting my new plant. I'm so excited for this. I haven't moved yet, but I'm moving pretty soon. I don't know how much this thing costs. It's probably like 20 bucks or 30 bucks. We'll see. But yeah, I'm buying it. I'm gonna leave it at Monroe's place. And then yeah. So yeah, I'm so excited for my little plant. Should probably get in a cart. Alright, let's see what we need to do. I got my plant. I'm so excited. Look at her. It was like 26 bucks, which is not bad at all. But yeah, now it's thinking of a name for the plant. My other plant is named Alexa. So I want to give her a French name, so I don't know. I have to figure out what that is. Maybe I should name her after like one of my favorite movies, but I don't really watch movies like that. What is the name of the girl in Pride and Prejudice? Or I was watching last night and I can't even remember. What does that tell you? Yeah, I guess I'll come with something later, but I can't really think of anything. Do you guys have any suggestion on what I should name her? Just leave them in the comments below. I'd love to know. I know, right? Guys, look at the little plant. Manu's already trying to claim her. Like, how dare she trying to claim my little plant? She doesn't even have a name yet. It's a little brand new baby. I know she's a godmother and already taking care of it, but still. Oh, so cute. Alright, let's get this party started. Turn on the lights.
Time to plant work. God's work.
So Amelia here is growing so fast. and she's outgrown her little bedroom, so she needs somewhere bigger to go, and her mommy got her a bigger space. So yeah, we're just gonna transfer her. We got some soul, and yeah, let's get this party started.
Spread my wings and fly.
Guys, there she is. There she is.
Damn.
Plant Care 101. Oh my god, you should totally do
Somebody asked me to do
a little blog post or video, Plant Care 101. Hello guys, today is town. So I need to be at the beginning of the train. So I always kind of have like to remind myself where I need to be. Depends on if I'm going downtown or uptown. So today is Monday the 21st. It's about 5:49. I had a meeting with a brand for a possible collaboration. I'm excited about it, so I think we may be able to work together. And then next door was Zara. I went to Zara. I got this blazer, this camel blazer that was $150 that I've had my eye on since it came out, but I just did not want to spend that much money on it. So yeah, I guess waiting definitely paid off because I found it for $39 and it was $150. Tomorrow I am getting my first Brazilian wax, so I'm super excited. Yeah, I just said that. Oh, never mind. I'm getting off the next stop. I'll just stand. But yeah, what did I do? Today is like one of the coldest days of the year. I went to H&M to find gloves because I lost my left hand Blue Mountain when we went skiing that day. And then every time I go to H&M, the gloves are just like all over the place. So didn't find new gloves. I am headed home now. Yeah, on the plane tonight, I think I want to write a blog post because just earlier I was on my blog just reading my old posts and I'm like, oh my god, I used to be so much better and so passionate about blogging. I look forward to do more in 2019 because it takes a lot of work and effort to do that. Yeah, hopefully my mom has food because oh, I already have my bus ticket, so it's lit. And I found this like first stove at Mango the other day. It's so cute. That's super cute. I do have two, one black, one camel from H&M that I got like years ago. Yeah, I got it like years ago, but it's not as soft and good quality as this one. I like this one a lot better, and the other one has a clip that you just clip it on, but this one has a hole and you just insert the other part in there. So I think I like this one a lot better than the one that I got from H&M, from Hennes, or do you just say Hans and Moritz? No idea, but that's it. Starving. I fasted today for like 14 hours and I ate a very light lunch. So I've been doing the intermittent fasting. It's working so well. Feel a lot better. and I just don't drink coffee during the week anymore. I leave that as a treat on the weekends. Yeah, so I am ready to be home. It's so cold. I don't even think I'm gonna let my mom come out, honestly, because it's so cold. I'm just gonna take a taxi from the bus station when I get off, because there's no reason for her to come out in this cold. Although I need some pickles. So this is my walk from the train to the bus. It's a long walk. I mean, I guess you're doing it with me. Oh yeah, I need to edit another vlog for tonight. I posted one yesterday, so I need to get back on my vlogging days. I like to create like better content for you guys, but right now vlogs are like the easiest for me to do because I don't really need like an area to film stuff. But that's my plan as soon as I move and get everything under control, is to really just create amazing content for you. I have a lot of stuff that I like to start talking about and create, so I'm excited about that. I need another word for excited. I guess I could say I'm stoked about it or I'm happy about it, but there are other words. Alright, that's the plan for tonight. So, oh yeah, tomorrow I am getting my first Brazilian wax. I can believe that I've never had one because I am not a hairy person, so I can go 2 weeks without shaving, or even almost a month. I can tolerate it because, yeah, I'm not that hairy. And my legs and arms, I don't ever have to shave them. I probably shave them like once or twice a year. And the downside to that is that I guess my hair doesn't go as fast because I am not a hairy person. So yeah, I think I would prefer to be hairy and have my hair grow so fast and not having to shave and my hair not grow as fast. But I don't know, there's pros and cons to everything. You may think you want something, but there's always yeah, the grass isn't greener on the other side. So basically that's what I'm trying to say. It's only green before you water it. So just to keep that in mind. Everybody looks so miserable out there today, and I was just smiling. I'm like, I don't know, I think it's like mind over matter. I mean, sure it's cold, but I feel like as long as you dress for it, like you're fine. It's Tuesday, it's about to be 5 o'clock now, and guess what? I had my first Brazilian wax at European Wax Center on 82nd Street and 2nd Ave. No, First Avenue. I have to catch my thoughts for a little bit and trying to see where I am. So it's so close by my job, which is like so perfect. Yeah, so I just took a cab here, which was like 5 minutes, and then yeah, I'm walking back now. It was so fast and so easy. I don't know why I haven't done this in a while now, or a long time before. Thank you, Deb, for recommending it. Deb is just like, everyone needs a Deb in their life. She's just kind of like the classy, feminine, girly girl who just like does all the cool girl stuff. Like me, I used to never even like get my nails done. Well, I used to back in the days, and then I stopped doing them for like a good like 7-10 years. And yeah, Deb is that chick, you know. She's always gonna hook you up with the best places to eat, the best places to get your Brazilian wax, because she does all the homework. So everyone needs a Deb in their life, so I'm so grateful to have her. And yeah, it hurt for like a split second. I'm not going to say I love pain, but I just think it's just like mind over matter. Like if you don't think about it, you don't give in into that emotion, you're probably not going to feel it as if you're expecting something to be painful, then it usually is. But me, I go into every situation thinking, oh, this is gonna be a piece of cake. And yeah, it usually is on some level, I guess. So that was my first time. It was like 15 minutes and I had a Dana. She was lovely. I'm so happy I've had her, you know, to do my first Brazilian wax. She was really nice. We got to talk and she was like, oh, you smell good. So I told her which perfume I was wearing. She found it, blah, blah, blah. So that was really nice. So now I'm going to have a drink with my colleague. Alright, I don't think I can go yet. Now I'm going to have a drink with my colleague. She's going on vacation tomorrow. So I'm gonna take the opportunity to go have a drink. I had planned to meet with someone else, but that turned out to be, you know, somebody else. So I'm just gonna have a drink with my colleague and have a good time. We always have a good time when we go out for drinks. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then, what am I doing tomorrow? Oh my god, this is like every day. Oh, tomorrow I am going to the gym with Monroe. I'm kind of like ecstatic to go back to the gym and get working out. I feel like I do feel it, that I am not in good shape. I mean, I look like I'm in great shape, don't get me wrong, but that doesn't mean, just because you're skinny doesn't mean you're in shape. So that's my thing. And I do eat pretty healthy, but I still feel like you need to work out your muscles, your bones. I mean, I do walk quite a lot. That definitely happens because I pretty much walk all the time from the train to the bus, blah, blah, blah. I probably get more exercise than the average American because usually most people drive and they just park close. It's not a bit as a walk as us New Yorkers do. So I still have that advantage, but at the same time, sometimes I feel when I move a certain way, you know, you kind of like feel that muscle and, you know, you're like, you should probably do a little workout. I do have a meeting with a brand tomorrow, so maybe I'll go to that super early. I'll leave work on 4 o'clock, get there 4:30, and then head back uptown to work out. Oh, that's what I need to do. I need workout clothes. Ay, ay, ay. That's not ideal. I know someone who works at the store. Should probably go and say hi. I'm not going to do that. Actually, my colleague is probably texting me. Let me see. Again, I can't believe I've never gotten a Brazilian wax. But all that changed today. Today is a new day. I am a new woman. And the reason why I decided to start doing it, if I don't want to... Oh, hey! Which way we're going?